guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I make my last video. So far the schedule now is light. So I can make a little bit short video now. Today I'm gonna show you how I fix my Tactic TTX300 transmitter transmitter. Because my only problem about this stock transmitter is the power button. Sometimes it on, sometimes it off during my runtime. So I'm gonna check this button if I can fix it. Okay guys, I already unscrew the transmitter. You can see the inside. This is the switch button. We will open it. We will check if there's a rust or some kind of parts that's broken. Okay guys, grab your long nose, and I already flipped this one. If I can remove this plastic switch. And I want to check the inside, the terminal or contact point, whatever you can call this one. Just be careful when removing this plastic one. Okay, you can see the two terminal here. These are the one that slides back and forth. Also there is spring inside. It's kind of small spring, you can see there. And here are the main terminals. You can see there those three lines. I think it's only misaligned, or sometimes we frequently use the switch, turn it off like that. It goes misaligned. Okay, there's no problem. I think there is no broken or missing parts. I will put back again. Okay. Just like that. And I will gently put this one back. Be careful, you will tear it. I removed the backside here, just like this one. As you can see, so I can slide this plastic switch. Okay. Before it's a little bit loose, now it's tighter. You can see, you can hear the sounds. Okay, we will try it. Okay, battery is already installed, and we will try if the light will turn on. There's the light, LED. Oh, it turns on, off, on, off. I got this problem many months ago, so I just try to check if I can fix it. Before I put some tape here so it won't go off, but now I found the problem. It's just a little bit loose. You can see the light there. Sometimes it's off like that. Oh, okay. Okay, I will put back again. Okay. Try again. On, off. There's still a little bit loose, but it's okay now. As you can see, the side of the on. You can see, it's okay now. It's better than before. Okay, guys. I hope you learned something. And soon I will make a running video because the situation here is already lifted. There's no more quarantine. It's already I think it's a general community quarantine for the meantime, but it's already okay. For the meantime, this is the only video I make. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day.